Hey everyone, how you doing? I hope you're good. I'm having some quick, instant, homemade soup. I put water in here. I pour a little, I can't believe it's not butter, liquid. I put some vegetables from last night, some Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and an envelope of no sodium chicken broth by Herbox. And I put a couple pieces of cheese for protein. It's so delicious and quick, and I love a good soup for lunch. So I'm just going to keep my little hood on, my little blessed shirt. Let me show you. It's really too short for me because I like my shirts to go below my bum. But what I did was I put on a navy tank top under it so I could wear it with my jeans and have the navy tank top come down, and it just looks layered, and it's blessed. Blessed. Oh, okay. I was looking online and I saw NYX has come out with this marshmallow infused primer and new beauty sponge, which I'm waiting to get. In the meantime, I'm going to do my makeup with these pink and white marshmallows. So stay tuned for that. I also did my nails this week, and right after I always do my nails, I haven't done my nails in ages, but right after I do my nails, my sink gets stopped up. I have to call the plumber. I have to empty everything out. I have to clean everything. I have to... Well, that problem is fixed. Okay, first I'm going to show you this duo. This was sent to me from Clarins through Octoly.
Ooh, this is a refreshing, easy rinse, lightweight cleansing oil formulated with purifying alpine herbs and 47% organic sunflower oil. What happens here is the water activates into a silky milk that immediately dissolves into even heavy, long-wearing, and waterproof makeup. The benefits are: it leaves your skin soft, clean, and comfortable. It's great for all skin types. It's safe for eyes, face, and lips.
Then I want to show you this soothing toning lotion.
This toner is a plant-based, coloring, and alcohol-free face toner with aloe vera and organic fig extracts. It gently tones and hydrates normal or dry skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and fresh. And it's formulated with the exclusive microbiotic complex to balance your skin's microbiota while removing every last trace of cleanser for a clear, healthy-looking complexion.
The following was sent to me from Clarins through Octoly. A double serum.
This is interesting. This is Clarins' #1 best-selling anti-aging serum. 2 Power Pack serums in one, formulated with 21 potent plant extracts, including age-defying turmeric, to visibly firm, smooth, and boost radiance in just 7 days. Turmeric addresses all visible signs of skin aging. It's a youth-boosting trio of organic banana, teasel, and oat. It firms, lifts, and fights fine lines and wrinkles. A comforting blend of avocado, mango, and organic kiwi softens and nourishes. And the organic leaf of life boosts the skin's natural hydration. A fusion of beauty berry, organic goji berry, and horse chestnut energizes, eliminates toxins, and revives radiance. Cocoa, edelweiss, and ginger lily soothe and fight against skin free radicals. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is an amazing lineup and some powerful ingredients.
And they sent me this. This is the Hydra Essential Cream. Moisturizes and quenches silky cream for normal to dry skin.
This silky moisturizer plumps thirsty skin with precious moisture and keeps it there For all-day hydration, it shields the skin from dehydrating effects of daily thermic shocks. It hydrates, comforts, and plumps, and renews radiance. Wow. Contains Clarins Anti-Pollution Complex.
Thank you, Octoly, and thank you, Clarins. Then Ritual, which you can get at Sephora, sent me this through Octoly. And this is a 4-pack Spa Essentials. It's a very positive company. A life full of wonders is a wonderful life. They have positive affirmations on everything. Look at this gorgeous pack. This can be purchased at Sephora. I have a link down below. This is a shower wash. I'm going to show you how foamy it is. And everyone has, it says, do good and good will come your way. The Ritual of Karma. It's very positive company. And this is the Ritual of Karma Spread the Kindness Body Cream. This is the Exfoliating Cream. And this reminds me of Italian lemon ice. It's exactly the same texture of Italian lemon ice. It looks yummy. I can't wait to get in the shower with this. And the last thing in the box is this gorgeous hand soap. And it says, do good and good will come to you. Soul Soothing Hand Wash. It smells so good. It's so soft. It smells just like a spa. It's with Holy Lotus and organic white tea. Now let me show you this body wash. Ooh, watch. Oh, ooh. Okay, that will do my whole body because look at this. Look at this. Did you ever? Look at this. Do you see how fast that foamed up, bubbled up? That's fun. To me, that is fun in the shower. Thank you so much, Rituals. They send a positive message out, and everything they have, the box, the products, they're all recyclable, and they're all positive messages. Look at that. This can be found at Sephora, and all the links will be down below. Well, that's the end of the video. Oh, lots of good stuff coming up. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell. Share with your friends and leave a comment and a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Let's pray for this cuckoo world. Just keep trying to smile. It's good for you. It takes all the bad thoughts away. And love you all.